In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to increase the font size on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is highlight over or copy whatever text you want to increase the size for. And then selecting the Home tab, you want to then select the little icon that says next to the font size. You can click the drop down and you can select a bigger or smaller size from here. Or you can just select the little plus icon next to the A to make it just incrementally larger or smaller. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.